For number one, the first column is pretty easy. F of x is simply putting this x value in, and that's going to be 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. Over here, g of x value, boys, g of x value is negative of the f of x value. So that's just positive 7. It's the negative of the f of x we just determined. Now this third column is a bit tricky in that the value for h of x, the third arbitrary function here, comes from the original function f of x when you put the negative value of the original x in. So this one here is 2 times the negative of this x. So 2 times positive 4 plus 1 equals 9. Okay? So for this one, you take the opposite of this x, because it's the original x times negative 1, and then you plug it in. Okay? So negative 2, that's negative 4 plus that's negative 3. This is positive 3. And this one here is 2 times positive 2 plus 1. 5. Does that help? Right. Okay, so here's the here are your solutions for 1A. That's what that column, that chart should look like. In B, for question number 1, you're asked to just show the graphs of each. So you can kind of see that, I'll just cut this. What you can see here is that the blue and the red, right, f of x and negative f of x, those are reflections about the x-axis. So the y values like this, reflections this way, with an invariant point here on the line of reflection. And then the blue, or the red and the gray are reflections about the y-axis. So that's where the negative comes inside there. So they're just reflections about each other, and the invariant points are on the axis of reflections. You can say that as well. So that's number 1.